Hello students, now we can see the monolithic phase lock loop. Here this is the pin diagram. The Signetics NEAC560 series in monolithic phase lock loop. Here these are the series that differ mainly in operating frequency range and power supply requirements on the frequency and bandwidth adjustment range. And IC565 is available in a 14-pin deep pack and 10-bit metal can. And the output frequency of the VCO is given by this equation, F0 equal to 0.25 by RT by RCT into HO, that is heads, that where RT and CT are the external resistance and capacitance that is connected to pin 8 and pin 9. This is the PLL block diagram. Here the values between the values between 2 kilo ohm and 20 kilo ohm is recommended for R1, and here in this diagram that is 565 that a value is between 2 kilo ohm to 20 kilo ohm is recommended for RT, and the VCO free running is adjusted with RT and CT at the center of the input frequency. A short circuit between the pins 4 and 5 connects the VCO output to the phase comparator so as to compare the F0 with the input signal Fs, and a capacitor C is connected between the pin 7 and pin 10 to make a low pass filter with the internal resistance of 0.36 kilo ohm. And the important parameters are given below, that is operating range, operating voltage range, frequency range, voltage range, input level required for tracking, input impedance, output sink current and output source current. Next we can see the derivation of lock-in range. If phi radius, phase difference between the signal and the VCO voltage, the output voltage of the analog phase detector is given by the equation VE, while K phi is the phase angle to voltage transfer coefficients of the phase detector, and the output voltage of VCO is VC equal to, it is given by equation 2, while A is the voltage gain of the amplifier, and VC shift VCO frequency from its free running frequency F0 to a frequency of F, and it is given by equation 3, where KV equal to voltage to frequency transfer coefficient of the VCO. When PLL is locked into the single frequency Fs, then Fs is given by this equation. We are bringing this F0 to the LHS side and we are writing the value of VC. Now comparing 4 and 2, we are finding the value of 5, that is marked as equation 5. Maximum output voltage magnitude available from the phase detector occurs when phi equal to pi or 0 radians. From equation 1 we are writing that the maximum voltage V equal to plus or minus k phi pi by 2. Similarly, the corresponding value of the maximum control voltage available to drive the VCO will be by using equation 2. And the maximum VCO frequency swing that can be obtained is given by this equation, F minus F0 max, and the maximum range of signal frequency over which PLL can remain locked will be given as Fs equal to F0. Here we are substituting the value of F minus F0 of max, therefore we are getting the last equation. From that we are taking the Fs equal to F0 plus or minus del F1. Therefore the lock-in range can be given by this formula, that is del F equal to plus or minus kV A k phi pi by 2, cross multiplying this through, and we would cross multiply this 2, kV equal to 8 F0 by 2, and we are assuming that V equal to plus VCC minus of minus VCC, and K phi equal to 1.4 divided by pi, and A is the A equal to 1.4, and the lock-in range can be given after substituting all the values, this del FL equal to plus or minus 7.8 F0 divided by sub V. And the derivation of capture range, when PLL is not locked to the signal, the frequency of the VCO will be free running oscillator. Here the phase angle difference between the signal and the VCO output signal can be given by this phi equation, and the phase angle difference does not remain constant, but it will change with the time at the rate of the given by del phi by del t equal to omega s minus omega naught. And the phase detector output voltage will not have a DC component but will produce a AC voltage with a triangular waveform of peak amplitude k phi pi by 2 and a fundamental frequency of Fs minus F0 equal to del phi del into F. And the low pass filter is a simple RC network having the transfer function. By using the low pass filter we are finding the value of transfer function of F equal to, where F1 equal to 1 by 2 pi RC, and here F by F1 the whole square is very much greater than 1. Therefore, F of F equal to F1 divided by J into F. And the fundamental frequency term supplied to a low pass filter by the phase detector will be the difference frequency, that is del F equal to Fs minus F naught, and the low pass filter transfer function will be del of F equal to, after substituting the value we are getting this equation. Voltage Vc to drive the VCO, here we know the value for all the terms, after substituting we are getting the last equation. Then the corresponding value of the maximum VCO frequency shift is F minus F naught of max equal to kV into Vc of max. After substituting the equation we are getting the value as this, and yes, substituting F equal to Fs, that is the maximum signal frequency range that can be occurred by PLL, and here Fs minus F naught of max equal to plus or minus kV k phi pi by 2 a F1 by del into Fc. After substituting the value for this del Fc, and here we are taking the del FL equal to this value, therefore the total capture range can be given as 2 del Fc equal to 2 into root of F1 into del FL, where F1 equal to 1 by 2 pi RC. Here in PLL 565 the value of resistance equal to 3.6 kilo ohm and C is in farad. Therefore, after substituting the value of the capture range we are getting this equation. Thank you.